Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2019 Jeep Cherokee North. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in diamond black. It looks great. You do have the Jeep badging up front with your projector style headlights right there and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here we do have our Firestone brand tires with 17-inch rims. They look great. You also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle we do have that 4x4 Jeep and North badging. You also got your backup camera there, and it is an automatic open, so you just got to press the button. Opens up just like that for us. Looks great. Lots of room in here as well. You got the cover if you did need that, if you did want to use that, just like that. And you got some additional storage on the sides, and you can lift this up and you do have your spare tire just underneath there. To close it up, you just press that button there and it closes right out for us. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock. You got that guy to do your remote start, especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, or in the summer you get it nice and cool for you. You also have the button to open up the back there and your panic button. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, all you gotta do is put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Plus you got the button there if you did want to use that. On the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right in here. Got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage down there. Looks fantastic in here. Very comfortable seats, very nice and soft. You do have the controls over your lights here, so you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here, and your fog lights there. And then down here we do have the controls over the seats, so backward and forward, as well as tilt and the lumbar support. And then up here we do also have the controls over our turning signals and high beams. It is push to start, so foot of the brake, press the button, and it starts right out for us. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, 5,000. That's pretty much nothing at all. You also have your distance till empty, or your range till empty, sorry, the gear we're in, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Now you can switch that around to your vehicle info, your fuel economy. You also have your trip info, stop-start options, audio, messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. Now that is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn down here, and your cruise control right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you got a volume up and down, as well as a source changer. And then we also have our control over our windshield wipers right there. In the center you do have your display here, your touchscreen display. Looks great. You got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as you have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through your aux cord, your USB, or your Bluetooth, all in there. You also have your climate control right here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your apps right there, your controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel, as well as your backup camera. Then you also have your phone options here, and you also have your settings. When you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here we also have our volume up and down with the power, mute, traction control, stop start options, and your screen off with your browser over there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power off, auto, front and rear defrost. Then you have your auto and your terrain selector here, so you have your auto, your snow, your sport mode, and your sand and mud, as well as a USB and aux cord plug in there. Gear shift is right here, and then right here we do have our electronic parking brake, some cup holders right there, and then you do also have your armrest that doubles as a storage container here, top layer and bottom layer with a USB plug-in, and a locking glove box right over here with your owner's manual on the side of it. Take a look in the back now. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same accented handle there, control over your windows handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here. Does have seating for 5 all together. You can fold this guy down if you didn't have the person in the middle, and you do have some cup holders and an armrest. You can also fold that up. Then you got lots of room. Plus down here you do have some USB plugins, as well as a plug-in for a phone or whatever you might want. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2019 Jeep Cherokee North. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.